Hello everyone, this is Devik Maheshwari with Project Next. Next is a pretty interesting implementation of Polkadot's risk-free architecture where it utilizes PVM for calling REST contracts from a solidity engine. So what does it actually mean? It means that we build a fully on-chain central limit order book where the heavy lifting, that is the order matching and the volatility guard, runs as a Rust binary which is compiled down to 3 KB on PolkaVM block. We have the settlement layer as solidity where a user places a limit order and the solidity contract escrows their funds, then makes a cross runtime call into the Rust engine to figure out if there's a match. And if there is, the settlement happens immediately on chain. So let's check this out how Nix works. First of all, let's connect our wallets. So we have a pretty interesting implementation of getting logs here. So what you can do is you can connect a Nix bot on Telegram where users can get logs of their trading activities on day-to-day basis. They can do polling events and they can do so. As you can see, here we have it. Our next is linked and you can start receive trading notifications. So our Telegram is connected as of now. So let's see how we can do things. On the front end, there's a real-time trading dashboard. These are all real orders. These are all real fillings, which is live on chain. And now let's try to make an order. Let's do a price of one. Let's do a quantity of one, and let's place an order. So there are actually multiple orders live on place because I've given this to my friends and tested it out. But I'm going to be giving a straightforward implementation of how fast this works. Now, this is another Nix dashboard open in my Brave using another wallet, and I've connected another MetaMask onto it. Let's place a sell order for 8 and a quantity of 1, which is the exact same thing we did right in another dashboard. And let's confirm it. After you are going to confirm it, what happens is our Rust architecture is going to match both the orders and then execute it concurrently. Now, let's see the order getting executed. And here we have it. Uh, right now, there were two orders being passed. One is the sell order and the other is buy order. So, uh, yep. So that's actually the current real-time price range ratio. That one PAS is 800 USDC as per the mechanics of my volt, and this is a real-time volt. And so the most interesting thing about this is that it's completely based on the PVM architecture where it has a solidity contract. Let me explain how it works. Right, it's pretty beautiful. So yeah, so it has a solidity contract, and that contract calls the Rust PVM engine, which is stored as a blob on Polka AVM, and then it goes back to the Warden Club sol and then executes the trade. And we have deployed the Warden Club sol using the recompiles of our Rust PVM engine. So it works exactly how the PVM architecture defines calling Rust contracts on Solidity contracts, and then we get this beauty, right? So that was the main trading part where users can trade on particular assets. The other part is our portfolio, where users can look up their price history, their fill history, their orders, and yep, it's pretty much live. You can go in and order. The and very well live. You can also see that the Telegram bot has active communication, and it's actually giving you every trade that has been placed and things that has been done. You can also do polling on this Telegram bot and can automations to it. Yep. So this was Nix CLOB based on the PVM architecture of Polkadot, and currently it's on testnet with PAS and USDC as its major assets, and we hope to increase the number of assets and trading activity more on the pools. Thank you.